So sound off.
Stanley.
Next.
Tumbles.
Next. Get it. Next.
Ribbons.
Next.
Forest.
Next.
Daddy.
Next.
Tinsel.
Next.
Candy.
Next.
Ruffles. Buttons. Bows.
And I'm Tinker.
Okay, let's get to work. We've got 3 bags of lettuce today, and we must stay on schedule.
Poindexter's right. Have you looked at the calendar? No pun intended, but we're a little short on time. This year, don't want a book I won't read.
This year, I know the thing that I need. This year, don't want another red tie.
This year, can't let my chance pass by.
And we're running out of time.
We gotta go, not a second can we spare. 'Cause it all comes down to Christmas. We're pulling out our hair. 'Cause it all comes down to Christmas. We got one shot, and it's just a few days away. We have to hurry up, 'cause it all comes down to Christmas Day. This year, I want a shiny new bike.
I want a model toy.
How about an old-fashioned train?
This year, I want a doll that can't talk.
My mom wants me to earn a.
I hope they give me that raise.
And we're running out of time. We're getting close to Christmas. We're getting close to Christmas. It all comes down to Christmas Day.
Jingle all the way.
Santa!
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Christmas and we're friendly 'cause it all comes down to Christmas.
You better start behaving, 'cause it all comes down to Christmas.
We've got one shot, and it's just a few days away. Just a few days of almost Christmas Day. We'll wait the winter weather 'cause it all comes down to Christmas. And make it through together 'cause it all comes down to Christmas. We've got one shot, and it's just a few days away. Time is almost up, and it all comes down to Christmas Day. Almost Christmas, nearly Christmas Day.
Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. What was that?
Oh, it was nothing.
It didn't sound like nothing.
Oh, it was nothing.
That sounded like lumbago, which takes its name from the lumbar region of the spine. To understand how this problem may arise, we must have a basic knowledge of the spinal column in the lumbar region. Common causes include improper lifting and poor posture. What? A strained back!
Not good at all. You should get right to bed.
Oh, I'm fine. Besides, I have too much work to do over the next few days to spend it in bed, and so do you. We better all get back to work. Besides, I have some lists that need checking. Oh, wow! Oh.
I'm worried. Aren't you guys worried?
If Santa says he's fine, he's fine. And like Santa said, we've got a lot of work to do.
It's just common muscle strain.
I've never strained anything.
You never work either.
That's not true. I worked really hard on my letter to Santa this year.
Oh, I haven't written mine yet. I really need to write it tonight.
Me too. I hope it's not too late. Do you think it's too late? Well, I wrote mine over 2 weeks ago. Well, what did you ask for, Candy? Well, I like the puppy Poindexter got so much that I decided to ask for a pet of my own.
Ooh, a puppy?
A pet.
A snake.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll or dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind you.
we should probably try to be a little quieter. Most of the elves are still asleep.
Oh, almost done. Just need to try one more thing.
Good morning, Tinker and Stanley. It's nice to see you up so bright and early, especially after last night's overnight work call, which was very productive indeed.
Oh, that's great, Poindexter.
Wow!
There, all fixed.
That's fantastic! Something else I can cross off my list.
What was wrong with it?
Oh, well. The malfunctioning power supply was preventing the electrical current from flowing from one metal contact to the other, which was preventing the current from flowing through the wires and the filaments, which was preventing the bulbs from emitting photons.
Wow, you're a genius. How did you fix that?
I plugged it in.